Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Dynamic, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Mitsubishi 3000GT concept. This is the rebirth of a legend, a car that once ruled the streets in the 90s, now reimagined for the modern era with cutting-edge technology and jaw-dropping design. Mitsubishi has been teasing enthusiasts for years, but this concept proves they mean business. The new 3000GT is an absolute beast, blending aggressive aerodynamics with futuristic styling. The sharp LED headlights, sculpted hood, and massive air intakes scream performance. But it's the rear end that truly steals the show: razor-sharp LED taillights, an aggressive diffuser, and an enormous wing designed for maximum downforce. Under the hood, Mitsubishi is expected to go all in on hybrid or full electric power, aiming for a perfect balance between raw power and efficiency. Rumors suggest a twin-turbo V6 hybrid setup, pushing over 600 horsepower to an advanced all-wheel drive system. If true, this would place the 3000GT in direct competition with modern supercars. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin straight out of the future. A fully digital driver display, a massive touchscreen infotainment system, and premium materials everywhere. The cockpit is designed for both comfort and performance, with racing-inspired bucket seats and an AI-assisted driving system that adapts to your style. But the big question remains, will Mitsubishi bring this concept to life? If the demand is strong enough, we could see a production version sooner than expected. And if Mitsubishi plays their cards right, the 3000GT could mark their grand return to the world of high-performance sports cars. What do you think of the 2025 Mitsubishi 3000GT concept? Is this the comeback we've all been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love cars as much as we do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Auto Dynamic. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.